So the first thing you need to do is draw something called the horizon line from one side to the other of your paper. This is where the sky meets the ground. Then from about the center of your paper, you're going to draw a line to each corner of your paper. Next, you're going to draw some dash marks that are like the yellow lines in the road. And I want you to notice they get smaller and smaller as they go away from you. So the next part is we're going to start adding some buildings to our city. So you want to make a big tall rectangle, and you want to start close to the edge of your paper, and you want to go up, over, and back. Now you need to erase the inside part of your building, so you need to make sure that you don't see the horizon line in your building. Next, it's kind of like our 3D house. We're going to make lines that point towards that dot, that center part. Then I'm going to draw a line straight down to my street. So now I have a 3D building, and I can add details to my building if I want. I'm going to add another building that goes out, down, and back. So this one is going to be right next to that building. Don't forget to erase the line in the middle. And then I'm going to make a line that points at that dot on my horizon line and down. Erase. So I'm going to add some other details like a sidewalk. Okay, that goes to my point in my horizon line. I'm going to add a sidewalk that comes down and some lines that go back and forth. Remember, they get closer together as they get farther away. And then I'm just going to keep adding lots of details to my city. So like doors, windows on your buildings. I'm going to also add some details on the other side of my road and some things in the background that are way far away. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this in fast motion. So I'm just adding more buildings, more details, tree on the other side, some things in the background. Next, I'm going to trace over some things with black marker. I'm also adding some street lights. Remember that things that get farther and farther away get smaller and smaller. So my street lights, even though they are all the same size, as they get farther away, they look smaller. The last thing I'm going to do is color with marker. You could also color with colored pencil or crayon, but I'm going to add all my color details with marker. Here is my finished 3D street.